Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about TreeSet in Java. So let's get started. So what is a TreeSet? It implements the set interface. It is more like a HashSet, which contains unique elements but in a sorted ascending order. Elements are comparable by default to a custom comparator. Access and retrieval times are quite fast. Initialized with a default capacity of 16 and 0.75 load factor. TreeSet Constructors. TreeSet constructs an empty tree that will be sorted based on natural order of elements. TreeSet Collection C builds a tree set from elements of collection C. TreeSet Comparator C constructs an empty tree that will be sorted on given comparator. TreeSet SortedSet S constructs from given SortedSet. So looking at the basic code, constructing a TreeSet class, creating an object of TreeSet and adding elements like B, A, C, B, and then we are iterating over it. And just we are printing. So the output would be A, then B, and then C. So note, we have added duplicate elements while we added the elements, but in the output the duplicates are removed. Note, the elements in TreeSet must be of comparable type. String and wrapper classes are comparable by default. To add user-defined objects, we need to implement comparable interface. User-defined object example. So we are constructing a class book which implements comparable interface. And these are the attributes like ID, book name, author, quantity. This is the constructor. Over here we are overriding the comparator method. So note that the TreeSet book will be sorted on ID because in the comparator method we have used ID for comparing. So how a TreeSet works internally? Let's look at the code inside the rt.jar. I know this might not look very familiar, so let's just have a look at the code and try to understand what happens internally. So this is the add method inside the TreeSet. Now so over here we are looking into the TreeSet API in the rt.jar. So this is how the code looks like. Now note over here, internally a TreeSet uses a tree map. Now note the add method. Element addition just works like that of HashSet, except that we have tree map here. In tree map, we know that each key is unique as it internally uses a hash map. Now while adding, element E gets added as key with present object as value. Now again, if you are not familiar with the present object, then refer to our HashSet tutorial video for understanding it. Now note the put method. The put method will return null if the key is unique, and if the key is duplicate, then it will return the old value. So we need to keep these two things in mind. So what does it mean? So if the key is unique, put method returns null, and note the equals condition. If it returns null, the equals condition is satisfied. So this will return true, and if it returns true, the element gets added. But if the key is duplicate, the put method returns the old value, and the equals condition over here is not met, so the element is not added. Now looking at the performance of TreeSet, as per Oracle, TreeSet provides log and cost time for basic add, remove, contains operation, while HashSet provides constant O1 time performance. Now that's it for TreeSet. If you like our video, then subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.